me got it.
Really? Okay. All right, class. Welcome to the class today. My name is Miss Jordan Taylor, aka Miss JT. How are you?
Good.
Good. Okay, so today we're going to talk about respect and behavior because I was reading a book, and the book was called The Killer the Mockingbird, about how the people need to be in harmony and get together, and so they won't have to be prejudiced. We don't want to be prejudiced because the way people look. You remember how we were saying, think it, say it,
Yes.
say it. Is that nice to do that?
Yes.
To tell people how you feel?
Yes.
So if somebody's wig was coming off, what would you do?
I would think it.
Just think it. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is, my objective today is to teach you on kindness and love and family, because family is important, right? When I was reading a story about Scott and Jim, they learned to be kind to others even when it was hard. Have you tried to be kind to somebody and it's very, very hard? Who?
My friends.
Who else that you tried to be kind to them and they were mean to you, and they,
Oh,
either your brother or sister, anybody?
my brother and sister.
Okay. We're going to share stories at about a time when you were kind to friends and family. Can you tell me when you were kind to a friend and family member?
Today.
Any day.
Like every day.
Okay, every day. Just give me a one that you were kind to somebody that was really, really mean. Did you share something that you didn't want to share?
Yes.
Like what?
Like my snack.
Yes.
I wanted like a piece.
Right. Who was this?
My friend Mason.
Mason.
He's a boy.
He's our boy. Okay. So these are the rules for my classroom.
And he also has a crush on me, so he likes me. Like, dude.
Oh, he got a crush on
you.
you?
Say it out loud.
Well, that was a little bit too much information. So this is what Miss JT's rules are. You ready? I need you to listen to the rules because I'm going to test you on it. Classroom rules. We're going to start our lesson quietly and listen to when the teachers talk, right? When time's to work with friends, we're going to move quickly, okay? So we have Jeff over there, and we have, who's that one right there on the floor with the green hair?
Remember.
What's her name?
Mary.
Mary, okay.
Her
So
name is Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary. We're going to call
You
her.
know her?
Yeah, I think I've seen her a couple of times.
In the movie.
In the movie, right.
Have you?
Yes. Have a seat.
I've seen her in a movie before because I watched it.
Okay. Read. Let me finish this. We got two more. When you talk, you need to what? Raise your
Hand.
and it will be nice to our friends and help when it's needed. Our teacher will show rules at the beginning of the class. Now, the classroom arrangement. We're going to have our class like this because we want to be intimate. Yes, yes.
Just pretend this is my little baby sister.
Oh, you can be your baby sister. You can have whatever you want. So
Just pretend she's two.
She's 2 years old?
Yeah.
Okay. So the classroom arrangement, we're going to set it up. I want you to sit right there, and your desk is in front of me, okay? And I need you to listen, okay? What I want you to do right now, draw a picture of walls and make it happy to work with other friends. Work with friends, and then we're going to get this. This is the reward system. What is the reward that I'm going to get you? When you do a good job, and I say great job, you're going to get a what?
A prize.
And so what is it?
So, 3 tokens.
3 tokens. Okay, stop. And then activities, fun games, draw. Now, we like to play Uno, right? That's going to be our fun time, right? And then what I want you to do, if anyone isn't nice or you don't listen to Miss JT, I will be giving you a consequence, meaning no tokens and no free time. Got it? Is that all right?
Yes.
Okay. So, here we go. Now, let me tell you what I told. So, let me tell you quickly about the story, right? So, it's called The Killer the Mockingbird. The purpose of this was they were practicing the evidence of what happened about this story. Now, Killing the Mockingbird was about a kid that's in 1965 where racism was really, really bad, right? And people were mistreated because of the color of their skin, and we don't want to talk about that. So, I did the intro. The book is right here. We're going to listen to a quick little story. It's going to take 10 seconds, okay?
Wait, Your color is brown.
I'm brown skinned, that's right. And you
My
know,
color is teal. My family is.
yeah, and it's still gorgeous, right?
Yeah, but your family has brown.
Brown
We
skin.
have different skin than you.
Right.
You know.
And is that beautiful? That's a beautiful thing, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Badly broken at the elbow. When it healed and Jem's fears of never being able to play football were assuaged, he was
Can you hear the story?
self-conscious about his injury. His left arm was somewhat shorter than his right. When he stood or walked, the back of his hand was at right angles to his body, his thumb parallel to his thigh.
Yes.
Why does he have injury?
He was playing football, he hurt his hand.
Oh.
Okay. It's good, isn't it?
He couldn't have cared less, so long as he could pass and punt. When enough years had gone by to enable us to look back on them, we sometimes discussed the events leading to his accident. I maintained that the Yules started it all, but Jem...
So here's all the words. Accident, injury, right?
Yeah, he had a bad accident.
Bad accident, injury, and then he played football. So you see those words we have in football? Okay. Here we go. And the
He
left.
was 4 years my senior, said it started long before that.
Sometimes I
He
go
said it
and
began the
just
summer
like that.
Dale came to us, when Dale first gave us the idea. of
Remember
making
Dale,
the
his
rattle
friend.
come out. I said if he wanted to take a broad view of the thing, it really began with Andrew Jackson.
Andrew Jackson. So basically, the foundation of the story that I gave you was talking about the killing the mockingbird, right?
Yes.
Okay, and here is some information about the questions. I want you to write this out. What's the 3 words we're going to discuss? Come over here. Stay right here. Stay right here. I need you to stay right there. So what we're going to discuss real quick. What happened to Jim?
Well, he played basketball.
Football.
Football, and he put his hand on, so he had an accident.
Or an injury?
Yes.
Okay.
So, did he have to go to the doctor or
Yeah.
hospital?
Yes, he did. And so you want to listen to that real quick, or you want me to just?
Listen to that.
Okay, hold on for 1 second. We're about to go ahead and do that real quick.
How many more minutes until
1 minute.
2?
Yes, we're doing good. So basically, the reflection of the story is the clarity of the story of the novel is talking about a brief discussion of what happened to him in the beginning of the chapters, at the end, and what was the main thing that we need to learn about the content of our. We have different what?
Skin.
And we all the same, but we just have different what? Backgrounds, right?
Did he have brown skin or teal skin?
Probably teal.
Teal?
Because, you know, that was the South. People was getting caramely and chocolate, but they still was kind of like, had your skin and my skin was, your skin is lighter than my skin, right?
Yeah.
All right. Any questions?
No.
Did you understand the story?
Well, yes.
All right. Thank you for.
He had injuries.
He had injuries. And then at the time,
He
the story was
went to
about,
the
doctor.
or the hospital.
yep, he had the injury.
Sometimes I call it the hospital because it's just a really hard word to say, like hospital. I say hospital.
It's hospital.
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 Right.
Hospital.
There you go.
Hospital.
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 So thank you. I thank you, class, for this brief discussion. I will be giving you a reward. You can line up, and this is the end of the class.